How to lock layers in Picsart. Want to protect parts of your artwork from accidental edits? Here's how to lock layers in Picsart. In the Layers panel, find the layer you want to lock. Click the lock icon next to the layer name. This prevents any changes on that layer. You can still edit other layers freely while the lock layer stays safe. To unlock, simply click the lock icon again when you need to make changes. Use this feature to keep your base sketches or backgrounds intact while working on details. Have you used layer locking before? How did it help your workflow? Let us know in the comments below. Lock your background layer first to avoid accidentally painting over it. And that's how you can lock layers in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.